Hi everyone. This video is creating frequency tables using Ti-84. A researcher polls 10 homeowners asking them how many bedrooms are in their homes and receives the results below. Create a frequency distribution of the data. What is the number of respondents with homes with at least 3 bedrooms? The first thing we're going to do is put this data that is in a table into a list into our calculators. So we're going to click on the Stat button. It takes us to the Edit menu. Underneath the Edit menu, we have 5 options. We want option 1, Edit, so we're going to click on the Enter button. From here, we're going to enter our data down L1. It doesn't matter the order that we enter the data in, so I'm going to go across the rows. Each time I type a number, I'm going to push the Enter key on my calculator. So 2, Enter, 1, Enter, 1, Enter, 2, Enter, 3, Enter, 2, Enter, 4, Enter, 3, Enter, 2, Enter, 2, Enter. Now I have all of my data in L1. I want the calculator to sort this for me ascending, so numerical order. So from here, I'm going to click on the second key, which is the blue key in the upper left-hand corner, and I'm going to click on Mode to quit this window. From here, I'm going to click on the Stat button again. Underneath the Edit menu, I want Sort A for Sort Ascending. I'm going to click on Enter. I want to sort my column L1. L1 is located on the 1 key on my calculator. In order to get to it, I need to click on second. You'll notice that second is in blue and L1 is in blue, so that's how I know I need to click on second before L1. It pops in the opening parenthesis for L1. From here, I can just click on Enter, and my calculator says it's done. So now let's go back and look at that list. So I'm going to click on my Stat key. I'm going to click Enter for Edit, option 1, Edit. And you'll notice now that the data that I typed into L1 is sorted in order. Now I'm going to arrow over to the right using my arrow key underneath Graph. I'm going to type each unique number 1 time. So 1, Enter, 2, Enter, 3, Enter, and 4, Enter. Now I'm going to arrow over to L3, and I'm going to type each time these 4 numbers appear. So the number 1 in my original data set appeared twice, so I'm going to type 2, Enter. The number 2 appeared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, so I'm going to type 5, Enter. Then the number 3 appeared twice, so 2, Enter. And the number 4 appeared 1 time, so 1, Enter. Now I have a frequency table. L2 tells me each unique number. So we had homes that had 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and 4 bedrooms, and the number of times these bedrooms appeared. So 1 bedroom appeared twice, 2 5 times, 3 bedrooms twice, and 4 bedrooms 1 time. To answer the question, what is the number of respondents with homes with at least 3 bedrooms? At least means 3 or more. So looking at L2, we want values 3 and 4. 3 appeared twice, 4 appeared 1 time. 2 plus 1 is 3, which is our answer. And now we're done.